In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly create A/B tests for your header. In the previous two videos we've created a CSS component and we have also created this landing page, and we've also changed the color of the CSS component to green, as you can see. In this video I'm going to show you the following. If I request Pencil the following, please create me 5 A/B variants of the header testing different angles for the header. It will start working and I'll be right back when it's done. As you can see, in less than a minute it has given me 5 angles, and you can read them right here. And if I just scroll to the right, here you can see it has even created 5 full-fledged new landing pages. Of course the bottom are copies, but with 5 new unique angles for this header. So this is how you can actually A/B test in under a minute using Pencil. Thank you.